Welcome back, folks. We are back with a new video. Today, our topic is about getting a loan in minutes with no credit check. Many people still fear when they encounter financial difficulty and have a low credit score. But what if I say you don't have to? Many lending platforms can give you instant loans with no credit check. You can use these lending platforms to get out of your financial crises. We will discuss more about these in our video. To get to the official website of these lending platforms, check out the description. Let's get started with our video. Top 5 loan lending platforms in minutes with no credit check. Vyver Payday Loans. Vyver Payday Loans is known for providing loans for borrowers without any credit checks. With its few-minute application process, it is the perfect lending platform for those who need cash faster and easier. They offer loan amounts from $100 to $5,000, with interest rates ranging between 5.99% to 35.99%, which can benefit different types of borrowers according to their financial needs. The application process for Vyver Payday Loans is quite simple, and the loans provided by Vyver Payday Loans are without any credit history, which is a great option for people with low credit scores. Big Buck Loans. Next on our list of top 5 loan lending platforms, we have Big Buck Loans. This platform provides special loans for individuals even with poor credit. They provide loan amounts ranging from $100 to $5,000 with competitive rates that range between 5.9% to 35.99%. The Big Buck Loans lending platform offers a great option if you have less than perfect credit scores and need quick approval. Then Big Buck Loans can quickly provide you. You just need to qualify for their eligibility criteria, which is that borrowers need to be above the age of 18 years and they need to have a steady income source of at least $1,000 per month. Low Credit Finance. Moving on in our list, we have Low Credit Finance. This lending platform offers a broad range of loans ranging from $100 to $50,000. If you need large loans, Low Credit Finance can be a great option. Their interest rates will range from 5.99% to 35.99%, and they also offer flexible repayment options. Low Credit Finance is also a great option for people who need larger loan amounts with more extended repayment periods. To be eligible for loans at Low Credit Finance, you need to be a US citizen and have a steady income source. Heart Payday Loans. Next on the list, we have the Heart Payday Loans lending platform. Heart Payday Loans provide installment loans with fixed payment plans, making it easier for borrowers to manage their budgets. They offer loan amounts ranging between $100 to $5,000, with interest rates ranging between 5.99% to 35.99%. The application process is fast and easy at the Heart Payday Loans lending platform. Also, the lenders make immediate decisions, so your application process becomes easier and quicker. This makes it a great choice for people who need super quick loan amounts because the withdrawal and approval rates are very high. Jungle Finance. Finally, in our list of top 5 lending platforms for quick loan approval, we have the Jungle Finance platform. It is a great option for those needing quick cash, especially if they have very bad credit. They offer loan amounts ranging between $100 to $500, and the interest rates are very competitive at Jungle Finance. Additionally, the Jungle Finance application process is straightforward, and funds can be available quickly to you in no time. They also have a transparent fee structure, so you don't have to worry about hidden charges. How to apply for a loan in minutes with no credit check. The application process to get loans with no credit check can be done in just minutes, but you need to follow a few steps before you even start your application process. Here is what they are. First, you start your application process by evaluating your present financial situation. You need to know what type of financial crisis you are in and what type of money you need to get out of it. Once you know your situation, you should now start gathering all the relevant information documents for your loan application process. This will help you in the actual application process on the lending platforms. Now comes the most crucial step, that is the selection of the right lending platforms. You need to carefully select the right lending platforms for your needs and requirements. You need to check their approval rates, withdrawal times, etc. Once you select the right lending platform, you can start with the actual application process by visiting the official website of the lending platform, selecting your required loan amounts, and then filling out the forms and uploading the documents related to your income and identity. Next, you connect with a potential lender who can provide you with a loan amount. Then they will discuss with you and agree on the loan amount, interest rates, tenure, etc. Once you are satisfied with the terms and conditions, you need to sign the agreement. After the agreement disclosure, your loan amount will be disbursed into your bank account within 24 hours. Conclusion. To wrap up the video, if you are in a serious financial situation and need money immediately, then you don't have to worry about it. You can choose one of the lending platforms we have mentioned in our video. They can provide you with quick loans that can help you get out of your financial situations more easily and more effectively. To get to the official website of the lending platforms, check out the links in the description. That's it for today's video. We will meet you with a new financial topic.